you ever imagined what the rage of the forest elephant would crazy it will devastate, or any animal placed in front of the elephant will be battered? The big elephant rushed over and hit a shot that caused the buffalo to collapse. The elephant uses its sharp tusks to bump into the buffalo's people so it cannot stand up. Unable to escape, the forest buffalo have no choice but to face the angry elephant. The elephant uses its ivory pair straight through the victim's body until the buffalo dies, and then it leaves. When going to the road to meet elephants running toward me, everyone will be scared. Elephant suddenly got angry at a person. It's wandering in the middle of the road looking for an object to vent its anger on. When he finds a group of people, he immediately rushes to attack them. People see the forest elephant from afar. They immediately find a safe place to avoid the sight of the elephant. The frantic elephant runs towards the people and hits a motorbike next to the road. Fortunately, everyone escapes and they're not dead under the great feet of the elephant. After kicking a few things in the road, the elephant leaves in anger. It runs to an empty land. The frantic elephant rams and destroys the car parked on the road, and the people are chased away. It uses its two sharp horns to turn the car and then knock it to the ground. Many people use stones to throw it at the animal, and they are lowering the danger. The young people who saw the elephant poured the cars, nor could they stop. When the rage of the elephant happens, not many brave people dare to stop such a big animal. The car of the ill-fated owner could only lie still and hit with the badge of the car. People pulled out to see more, and more crowded by it to chase, but it made the crazy elephant stop. The elephant is wandering on the road and it hits everything near it. People standing from afar are observed. The elephant running into the people's house, not knowing what it's going to destroy. Elephant would attack him. Finally, the forest elephant did not find anything and left. The elephant stands in front of the people's house and indignantly lifts the nearby motorbike. And then he looked for other objects and goals to vent his anger on. One car to another, the elephant considers an item to vent his anger. People nearby see signs they want to teach him, and some others try to chase the annoying elephant. It seems that under the influence of the people, the aggressive elephant is slowly withdrawing. Three motorbikes were knocked down by the forest elephant after the wrath of the elephant was gradually calmed down. After that, the elephant slowly moves to the other people's area. Another ill-fated car was attacked by the large forest elephant. The hose, using the stone foot, but the car still did not budge. It sits completely in front of the car. But did not use the car to move, causing the elephant to go crazy and slowly want to climb onto the roof. Taking advantage of the elephant sliding out of the car quickly backs away. The end of the car is also now deformed by the huge elephant. A series of passenger cars won't want to panic when the elephant suddenly appears. Using its large hook straight into the car, it's going to lift each one up. And this is an extremely cruel battle of two large elephants. Two male elephants confronting, fighting with their extremely sharp tusks. The elephant has a longer iron core and is going to step by step onto the opponent. Knowing that he is not strong enough, the elephant, with shorter ivories, immediately runs to save his own life. The ferocious wild dogs must also be terrified when the forest elephant appears. When the big elephant appears, the wild dogs will run away. An elephant is immersed in cool water with a herd of hippos around. But this elephant is quite selfish. He doesn't want to be with the hippos, but chasing the hippopotamus. Does not want to share the lake with more than 20 hippos. Elephants repeatedly roar and chase them away. It uses the top of the ivory to hit the hippos that are standing in front of it. Not knowing what made the elephant angry, it quickly lost control and rushed to attack the mother rhino. Two crazed rhinos rush into each other, causing the surrounding dust. Both forest elephants are very strong. The war is really worth watching. The two temporarily separated the rest before starting the fight. Between a forest buffalo with the stubbornness of a giant, like the forest elephant, who do you think will win when they both fight? A victorious buffalo uses his horns into the innocent elephant. The mother elephants rush to protect the child, but its large body knocks down the buffalo. The elephants are extremely emotional creatures. They often greet each other by hugging their tusks. The elephants will follow the mother elephant whilst they're in a group. Not yet in adulthood, elephants will not separate the delegation and find separate food. The elephant is so emotional that they show grief when losing family members. But when elephants are crazy, their wrath is terrible. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.